I've been on the dating scene for a year now, and I have yet to find anyone. Ain't no more good men out here, so I'm fine with being by myself.
I'm just trying to figure out why men don't approach me. Like, why people don't come up to me and try to talk to me? Like, why?
Hey, boo. Welcome back to my channel. Are you one of those ones who are constantly wondering why men don't approach me? Well, I'm here to help, boo. I'm gonna give you a few reasons that I believe why you have not lucked up in the dating world. Number one, have you ever thought about your body language when you're out in the public? Have you ever thought about your facial expression when you're in the grocery store and you waiting in line? Sis, I'm here to tell you that the reason why you probably not getting approached is because you always have the RBF, the resting face. Like, relax your muscles in your face. Let's try it. Let's try it for a second. Come on. We're going to do this together. Just relax. Now, that wasn't so hard, was it? A lot of the time, we are just unapproachable because we have a unit on our face. We're looking so mean, and I was once a victim of that. I would walk around with this. I've had so many people that I've even conversated with before, and it was like, oh my gosh, you're so nice, you're so sweet. And I'm like, yeah, like, why you wouldn't think that? It would say, especially in like high school and just like growing up.
Cause you was always looking so mean. You was always looking so serious.
And I feel like a lot of the times women, we do it and we don't realize we're doing it. It's not because we don't want anyone to come and approach us. Sometimes while we're sitting at those bars, our body language is screaming like,
He better not come and say nothing to me.
We're just sending those vibes off that we're uninterested. Sis, when you out running them errands, are you always on that damn phone? How can he approach you if you are already occupied? If you are looking for men to approach you, become more approachable. Just seem more inviting. Smile. If you see something that you like and he's looking at you, then I just feel like at that time, start giving out those signals, those vibes like, come on, come on, come on. Instead of, Number two, and this one in my opinion has absolutely nothing to do with you, lady, and everything to do with the men. A lot of them lack confidence. Yes, I said it. And in a way, this should be an advantage for you because you don't want no man that don't have no type of get up about himself. That's not confident in himself. They just could possibly be afraid of rejection. They are taking a chance, 50-50. A chance of rejection, a chance of acceptance. They don't know. So some of them are just introverts. They stay right here in their shell to themselves.
I am not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna risk the embarrassment. I'm not gonna take a chance. She may be married. She may be in a relationship.
They overthink. They overanalyze. I know sometimes we start thinking like, damn, am I not cute enough? Am I not sexy enough? What am I doing? What am I not doing? Everything is not you doing something wrong. I've had friends to say, girl, I sat at the bar and I had an amazing conversation with a guy, but he didn't even ask me for my number. What you think that meant? I told her it's one of three things. Either he's gay and he was there for stimulation, but he wasn't looking for nothing because he is not attracted to your kind. Either he was already in a relationship, married possibly. Sometimes people can be going through things and they escape and they go to the bar and they sit and talk. And just because he didn't have no wedding ring on don't mean he ain't married. And they just need a breather. They just need some peace at that moment. So they go and they conversate. They may offer you a drink and they may talk. And then at the end of the night, they're going about their business. Or you could have turned him off. Maybe it was something you said. Maybe it was something that you didn't say. Maybe it was something that he saw, that he realized. Something just happened between the time that he initially stepped to you and throughout that conversation. That's my opinion. Number 3, a lot of guys are intimidated. Perhaps you're walking around and you're looking like a boss. Maybe you're driving luxuries, or maybe you are on social media and you're doing the damn thing. Like you got it all figured out. Men are intimidated sometimes by women who have it all together. Sometimes men like to be the breadwinners, or the ones that are relied on. Seeing you have it all together could mean for them like, oh,
She's not gonna want to talk to me no way, or I don't have enough to offer to bring to the plate.
you don't want no scrub no way. I don't know what they call them nowadays, but as I was growing up, it was a scrub. And I just want to say this. All attention ain't good attention. I remember growing up, going out to club. Sometimes I would have my nights where I was racking them numbers up, coming left and right, offering this, offering that. And then it was some nights where I didn't get nobody. I didn't talk to nobody. And I'm thinking like, well, damn. And then I had, and I was with friends and they were talking to people. And then like later on down the line, or just listening to their conversation with the guy, I'm just like, I'm so glad he did not try to talk to me. He is completely turning me the off. Either he was being disrespectful, or he was, just, you could tell that he just didn't have it together, or had too much going on. So if you're out and sometimes you're not getting it, it's okay. It's okay. Number 4, times have changed. I don't personally agree with this, but women are being the initiators. They're coming on to them. They're talking to them. They're approaching them. So it's almost like the roles have changed, and now the guy is waiting on the girl to approach them. I know that it's been times that you've seen somebody that you like, and you're like, okay, but give him a wink, or, do something and see if he initiate conversation, and then go from there. But that's just me. Everybody's different. But that could be why you're not getting approached. Perhaps they're waiting on you to do it. Role has changed so much. They don't hold doors. They won't offer to carry your bag. They don't get up for women if they are sitting down and you walk into an environment and you're standing up as a woman. The men don't even get up no more. I remember once upon a time they used to be like, oh, here you go, ma'am. You can have my seat. Like, you can even be pregnant sometimes and a man won't even get up out their seat. That's how bad it's getting. I've actually had experience where people have tried to talk to me in a store or in a mall, and I'm carrying bags or I'm carrying something, and they walk me all the way to my destination, but not one time said,
well, can I assist you with that?
To me, that's boys. That's boys. That's not men. A man is going to offer a helping hand. They want someone to take care of them, and that's because women are doing it. They are being so easy. They are being so available. They are being so open. Starting to become so hard for you ladies who are in the dating world, especially the ones who are grounded with morals and was brought up on what men should be doing. We growing up in that time, our parents told us that the guy should be holding the door, opening the door. The guy should be the one who's doing, you know what I'm saying? And now it's like, that's not the case. The women just seem so much more thirstier now, and the men are so much more lazy. Number 5. Have you thought about your attitude towards finding a new guy? Are you in the mind frame of,
all men are the same. I don't want no new man. I don't want him to approach me. When I go out tonight, no man better not talk to me. When I go to the mall today, nobody better not come up to me and say nothing to me.
If you are putting that out into the universe, then honey, your wish is my command. And that is what the universe is giving you. So that's why nobody is approaching. Change your perspective, your attitude, your thoughts about getting approached. Change your way of thinking that all men
are just bad. All men are just cheaters. All men are just no good. They're gay. They're disease-filled. They're this and they're that.
And when you have your mind fixated on that, and then that's what you invite. You either invite nothing at all because you're saying you don't want it, or you're inviting those same people that you're saying that that's all that's there. So change your train of thought. Boo, you are the reason why he is not approaching you. Men can definitely pick up on a lot of things based on your body language, your facial expression, the colors you wear. Can you believe that? That's getting a little bit too deep. Easter colors, more inviting than wearing all black. And in my opinion, all black is sexy. All black, who don't like all black everything? I actually heard a guy say,
A woman who's wearing all black is insecure. She's hiding things.
we are trying to hide our little problematic areas, but that don't mean that we're insecure literally. Black was, you know, sad sorrow, and red means that you are confident. Confident. Red is confident. So sometimes that could be a good or a bad thing because a man may be scared to approach someone who's overly confident. Colors like yellows and blues and purples, and I'm like, what? And you know what else I want to throw out there before I finish this video? Nowadays, men don't have to approach anymore. Everything is computer. Everything is internet. They don't have experience with approaching. They don't know how to, because all they gotta do is swipe what? Left, right, up, down, or however it goes. But you're not really having to approach anyone. You don't have to create conversation. You don't have to. That's why I say it's like, what? This is so crazy. So they're coming up to you and they're saying these weird pickup lines. Like for me, an example, I'm a tall female, so I get things like,
Oh, I would love to climb that tree.
how about ask me how I'm doing? How did your day go? You're looking gorgeous tonight. So I feel for y'all who's in the dating scene right now, because my oh my has the tables turned. I wish you all the luck in the world, but I'm hoping that this video can assist you with getting the ball rolling. I want to thank you so very much for watching this video. Until next time, later.